Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Roblox, open the gear icon and select settings to change controls. Once done, go straight to accessibility or movement. Roblox groups auto jump there now. Turn the auto jump toggle on so the engine will automatically make small hops when you run into obstacles. Make sure to save or apply settings. This ensures changes persist across sessions. If you use multiple devices, repeat on each one because device-level settings do not sync automatically. Once auto jump is enabled in settings, enter any place to test it immediately. Walk towards small ledges and observe whether jumps trigger. Adjust camera and movement sensitivity to improve timing because tighter camera control reduces missed jumps. If you play on controller or mobile, check input mapping. Some controllers override auto jump with custom bindings. Make sure to restart the client if behavior seems inconsistent. A quick reload forces the game to read your updated control profile. To finalize, restart Roblox and join a server where you commonly play. This confirms the setting is active under real conditions. If auto jump still doesn't work, check the specific game settings. Developers can disable it per place, and look for local scripts or mods that remap jump input. As a key troubleshooting tip, if behavior remains inconsistent, disable custom controller profiles, test with default bindings, and then, if needed, submit a bug report to Roblox with device and client version details so support can investigate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.